Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. If we're on here, y'all know what that means. It's cruise day.
Cruise time, y'all, cruise time.
We are here in Miami. We are about to board Virgin Voyages. I believe it's Scarlet Lady. We'll let you know if I'm wrong. But we are on for a group cruise with Mete and I to celebrate Mete's 50th birthday.
So we'll definitely bring you along with all the festivities and activities, y'all. You know how we do. Talk to you guys later. Alright everybody, so we're boarding now. It's approximately...
It's only 1:43, so they're actually ahead of schedule, but we'll take it. No problem with getting our vacation started earlier. Thank you.
We got the crew behind us, as y'all can see.
Dennis and Tia. I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. What y'all about to do?
I don't know.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Yeah.
Yeah, your rooms are ready if you want to drop them.
Okay.
The elevator's right over.
All right, y'all, we have arrived at our cabin. We are in 12178Z. Let's see what we got. Okay, what's inside? You see the bed is located closest to the door, not the balcony. There is this small nightstand here. They do have electrical sockets here as well. There's one for electricity, and then there's 2 outlets for a USB cable. They do have lights up above the headboard as well. There's 3 of those. And the TV is on the wall in front of the bed. Stepping in a little further, there is this table. It is movable, so you can move it to whatever area of the room that you may need it for. There's a chair. I do like the chair. It's comfortable. Underneath the chair, underneath the vanity, sorry, there is, you could use it for a chair or a footrest. On the vanity, ladies, they do have a heat mat for your curling irons, flat irons, so that you do not destroy their vanity. They do leave some information for you when you first get in the cabin. I do find these letters to be very helpful. This is the keypad that controls just about everything in your room, such as your lights, the TV, curtains, things like that. They do provide water every day, so if you drink this, your room steward will come in and refill it. There is also a small refrigerator here. There's some shelves next to the refrigerator as well. And then outside is the balcony area with the famous Virgin hammock. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom. Y'all know, if I have one complaint about Virgin, and it would be the small bathrooms. Everything else is good. But these small bathrooms, oh my goodness, very small. Now granted, it has everything you need, so it will get the job done. Just know that it's small. The shower does have hair wash, shampoo, hair conditioner, and a body wash as well. And one thing I also like about Virgin is they provide the hand soap in a pump, not the little soap bar for your hands. So I truly appreciate that. And again, this is our home away from home for the next couple of days. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.